Asia ESG ShipOwner 582. Bilbao has a huge reputation of having its own football team with local basket players. If you want to have your own local ship owner goodwill with your own local Asian crew on board, you have to invest and you have to separate from conflicts of interest. Many crew management companies and ship owners and ship managers, they have different conflicts of interest, of wage scales, of type of ships, and so on. Now, the ideal thing is like we do here in Bilbao, dear Asian ship owner, to invest in the Asian crew. We have a selection team in Indonesia whereby, irrespective of nationality, Asian crew, we have no conflict of interest, and is the only way to have a very competitive team like we have in Bilbao, trained from the career initials to these training like wipers, OSs, messman, all the way up the ladder, and have zero conflicts of interest. Make your own pool, dear ship owner, and should you have also other ships in America or in Europe or in Africa also, we can do the same and keep conflicts of interests away from your own talent. Goodwill is going to be huge competitive advantage, and talent, it is becoming shorter and harder to find, so some ship owners have to really pay, and by some doing, others have to go and pay for Messi or Ronaldo. But the question is, do we need these stars in our teams and these budgets, or can we train the local team with no conflicts of interest at all? If that is your philosophy, Candina is the company that has been doing crewing for about 80 years, and think different. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, all the best. Bye.